an unknown hacker has launched a major cyber attack on India. More than 500 private websites of various government departments across the country have been hacked. It had 17 websites from Maharashtra, the three of were government, said Madhukar Pandey, ADG Maharashtra's cyber cell. The Thane city police website was hacked around 4 am at this morning. It's suspected that hackers from Malaysia and Indonesia are behind this attack. The main website has been relaunched. The work is underway to restart the rest of website. After the hacking website of private university, hacker attacked more than 17 websites in the state. This attack was carried out by survival cyber hacker due to the ongoing social tension on this country. Many websites across the country have been hacked. The name of hackers from Malaysia and Indonesia have come to the fore. It is not yet to known whether this gang is active in India or not. Technicians have restored data and website. An investigation is underway. The Home Department has also ordered the cyber cell to investigate this cyber attack.